Is your duplicate album photo option or hidden photo option missing on your iPhone? If you're experiencing an issue with the duplicate photos or hidden option missing or not showing up on your iPhone, here are some steps you can try to fix the issue. Solution 1. Recheck some settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Photos, enable Shared Albums. Scroll down, tap Show Hidden Album. Solution 2. Press the volume up and down quickly. After that, press and hold the power button. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone. Quick bonus tips. If the issue persists, you can try using a third-party photo management app to see if duplicate photos appear there. Several options are available in the App Store, such as Google Photo, Adobe Lightroom, and Mylio. If none of these steps works, please comment below. Thanks for watching.